Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can loop videos on a CapCut PC. So to do that, select your video and you're just going to right click copy, right click paste a bunch of times. Select your videos again and you're just going to copy and paste it. It's easier to just select everything once you've copied and pasted a bunch of times, so you can copy and paste that. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer all the questions you guys sent me. But that is it for this video. Also, click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. That is it. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Goodbye.